Hi everyone, welcome back to another lesson. Today we're going to learn two really useful vocabulary groups, colors and common descriptions. These are words you'll hear all the time in everyday Korean, so they're definitely worth memorizing. You'll notice that all the color words end in
색,
which just means color. So once you get that pattern down, colors become pretty easy to remember. Let me read through each one for you so you can hear the pronunciation.
빨간색, 주황색, 노란색, 초록색, 파란색, 보라색, 분홍색, 하얀색, 검은색, 갈색, 회색.
Alright, now let's move on to common descriptions in Korean. These are words you'll use all the time to talk about food, weather, prices, and just everyday life. I'll read each one out loud so you can hear how it's pronounced. While you listen, follow along with the English meanings on screen. Ready? Let's jump in.
크다, 작다, 예쁘다, 맛있다, 맛없다, 좋다, 나쁘다, 비싸다, 싸다, 덥다, 춥다, 재미있다.
Alright, that wraps up today's lesson on colors and common descriptions. These are some of the most practical words you can learn as a beginner, so I really encourage you to practice them throughout your day. Try looking around and naming colors in Korean, your shirt, your phone, the sky, and when you eat something, think about how you describe it. The more you use these words in real life, the faster they'll stick. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Drop a comment below and let me know which word was your favorite. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for studying with me today. I'll see you in the next one.